Alcohol detox, the primary solution for alcoholism. Are you an alcohol dependent? Do you find yourself always craving for alcohol and feeling awful if you don't get drunk? You probably found yourself getting out of control over drinking. You need alcohol detoxification. Alcohol detox is simply the primary step to eliminating alcoholism or alcohol abuse. It is a withdrawal process that involves the removal of alcoholic substances in your system for you to get sober. It is deemed important by the medical experts for the fact that until there is no active withdrawal in a person's life, there is a great possibility that the person will crave for more. And since alcohol abuse is a matter of life and death, the person affected by it must be freed from it as soon as possible. However, alcohol detox is not an easy process. Fact is, an attempt to apply alcohol detox with the absence of a professional help can be tremendously dangerous. It can be traumatic for the patient as it can result to a number of chronic physical, emotional and psychological consequences. Given such fact, a proper professional care is a vital requirement for alcohol detoxification. The process should then be performed within a medical facility with the guidance of the medical experts. Well, the reason for this is that treating a person from alcohol dependence is difficult, especially if alcohol has been in the person's system for so long. In this case, taking the alcohol out of his system can trigger the body to react violently. Much to your surprise, the body reaction can be fatal as a person who can't recover from it may die. Speaking of reactions, alcohol detox can trigger certain tremendous side effects. The side effects may vary, of course, according to the level of dependency, as well as to the effectiveness of the treatment applied. For instance, alcohol detox may trigger mild reactions such as headaches, restlessness, sweating, tremors, vomiting, insomnia, and lose of appetite. In a more serious condition, the effects of alcohol detox may manifest in the forms of convulsions, seizures, and delirium tremors. According to several claims, if the alcoholic is not guided well, alcohol detox may lead to sudden death. Today, several alcohol detox programs have been introduced to the public. The rise of these programs is to some degree affected by the ever-growing number of people becoming dependent to alcohol. According to recent surveys, more than 50% of the total population in the world is victims of alcohol. Majority of them have been treated by alcohol detoxification. Now, if you are one of those who are becoming so dependent to alcohol, I bet it's now time for you to change your life into something better. Start detoxifying yourself from alcohol as early as possible. After all, alcoholism is a disease that kills.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.